was included in Turkey's geographical logistic products in 2021 upon the application made by Bilecik Chamber of Commerce and Industry. For the production of Turkish Delight, the quinces harvested from the trees in the region in November and December each year are shredded in a meat grinder and boiled for 7 minutes at 75 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, starch, sugar, drinking water, citric acid are added to and this mixture is boiled for 2 hours, stirring constantly. Quince puree, which was prepared before, is added to the mixture, and the boiling process is continued for about 2 hours. After the cooking process is completed and the jelly mass is poured into a tray, it is left to cool at room temperature for 8 hours. The cooled Turkish Delight mass is taken on marble counters, and its surfaces are covered with coconut and prepared for cutting. Turkish Delights are cut into cubes with special cutting scissors and covered with coconut again. Osmanlı Quince Delight preserves its freshness for 6 months at 15-16 degrees Celsius and in a humidity-free environment. When Osmanlı Quince Delight is taken into the mouth, it is felt as if there are fruit pieces in the Turkish Delight due to the structure and intense aroma of the quince. Turkey's geomarked products.